model, 64-plate Ford Tourneo Custom 300 Ltd Eco Tech Factory Fitted Top Spec Minibus. Very nice, 12 months MOT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 157141. MOT, the 22nd of January 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, air con, cruise control, tow hitch.